Yeah, hi Mark, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your Beosound Sentry laser. Put a new part in there for you. Basically I've opened it up, I've given the cogs a little bit of a clean, checked the micro switch, also checked the board for you. It's in very, very good clean condition, to be honest with you. You know, the lasers just do, they fail, they do fail, you know. I mean, this mech is probably about 22, 25 years old. So yeah, they don't, you know, lasers on average last sort of about 4 years. So yeah, it's, you know, common problem with a Bang & Olufsen and these type of mechs anyway. What is that? It's a 1255, isn't it? So yeah, it's all done. You got your 6-month warranty on that one. Any problems at all with that laser or the work that I've done, it's all repaired under warranty. All we ever ask for, Mark, is the postage back to, you know, to send it back to you, which is £4.50 or whatever it is on that case. Okay, so this is all ready for you. As soon as I get payment, I'll ship that out. Thank you ever so much for your business, and I do appreciate it. And you guys have a great New Year and Christmas, and make sure you look after yourselves up there. Thanks very much, Mark.